Before working on the PDU, turn off and disconnect all connected equipment. Disconnect the PDU power cable. The display and all LEDs on the PDU will shut off. The PDU is now safe to remove from the rack and begin work on the display. While performing this repair and handling the display module, use appropriate electrostatic discharge precautions such as a wrist strap or ground cord. The tools you will need include the replacement display module, and a Torx screwdriver size T10. Remove the 4 screws surrounding the display module. Flipping the PDU onto its side can make the screws easier to remove. Slide your finger under the display module to release it from the PDU chassis. Disconnect the ribbon cable leading from the display module to the inside of the PDU. Press the 2 latches on both sides of the connector to release the cable. Connect the ribbon cable from the new display module to the inside of the PDU. Press down on the connector until the 2 latches engage. Make sure the connector is secure. Place the new display module in the PDU chassis. Reinsert the 4 screws surrounding the display module. You can now reconnect the PDU input cable, attach and turn on all equipment. Thank you for watching this tutorial.